Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. We will learn how to stop music in Discord. Music in Discord is usually played through a music bot in a voice channel. To stop music, first make sure you are in the same voice channel as the bot and the music is already playing. The music is playing in the background, but I have muted the track so the video won't get taken down due to copyright. You can right-click on the bot and simply disconnect, deafen, or kick it to stop the music. Another simple way is by going to the message box and typing a command. Type /pause to stop the music, then press enter. As you can see, you will get a message saying the music is paused. You can resume the music by typing /resume and pressing enter. The music will be resumed and you can also directly stop it. Just type /stop and press enter. You will see that the queue ends and the song is stopped. In some cases, leaving and rejoining the voice channel can also help refresh the connection. If the bot is unresponsive, this can resolve the issue. We learned how Discord music works through bots and the different ways to stop music playback. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.